If you're wondering whether MailerLite or ConvertKit is better for growing your email list, you're in the right place. Both platforms are popular for email marketing, but each has its strengths and weaknesses. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is actually the best for your email list building goals, so stick around. Let's start with MailerLite. One of the first things that stands out is its affordability. It's one of the most cost-effective email marketing tools on the market. For beginners, this is a huge win. They offer a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, which makes it an attractive choice if you're just getting started and want to test the waters without any upfront costs. Next thing, MailerLite has a really user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get your campaigns up and running. Their drag-and-drop builder is intuitive, and they provide pre-designed templates to make your life easier. But here's the catch: while it's simple, the design options are a bit limited. If you're someone who wants full creative control over your emails, you might feel restricted at times. On to ConvertKit. ConvertKit is another powerhouse in the email marketing world, especially for creators and bloggers. The platform is designed for scalability, meaning it's built to grow with your business. ConvertKit shines when it comes to automation features. It lets you build custom workflows that can be triggered based on subscriber actions, which is essential for more complex email strategies. However, it does come at a higher price point compared to MailerLite, especially when you're scaling up. Now, ConvertKit offers excellent support, particularly through their educational resources. If you're new to email marketing, you'll find their tutorials and webinars extremely helpful. But on the flip side, ConvertKit lacks the same level of pre-built templates and design flexibility that MailerLite offers. This can be frustrating if you're looking for more advanced design options without needing to code. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. MailerLite offers more than 30 third-party integrations, which is pretty solid for most users. However, ConvertKit offers deeper integrations with tools aimed at creators, like Patreon and Thinkific. If you're heavily invested in those types of platforms, ConvertKit might edge out MailerLite here. Another important point is deliverability. Both platforms do a good job at ensuring your emails land in inboxes, but ConvertKit has a slight edge. They focus heavily on ensuring your emails are not marked as spam, which is crucial for growing your list effectively. MailerLite has been known to have a few more deliverability issues, but nothing that should completely turn you away if you're just starting out. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. As I mentioned, MailerLite is generally the more affordable option, especially if you're on a tight budget. But ConvertKit's pricing may be more justified if you're serious about scaling your business or running complex email marketing automation. The catch with ConvertKit, however, is that it's a bit more expensive upfront, which could be a deal breaker for small businesses or individuals just starting out. So, which one is better for growing your email list? It really depends on your goals. If you're just starting out and need something simple and affordable, MailerLite is a solid choice. But if you're looking to build a highly automated and scalable email strategy, ConvertKit may be the way to go. However, after trying all of them myself, I've found a better alternative for the specific goal of growing your email list effectively and efficiently. If you want the best solution, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.